Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a connected line in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file. Now select this tools option and scroll down or up. Here you will find this comment option. Now select here drawing tools option and this connected line option. Click here. Now click and draw your connected line. This connected line, this one, and also corrected this one, this one, and see this connected line now created, and this border thickness, and see this, and you can see the border color here, and so on. Also, you can add fill color. I'll not add any fill color here. You can add also fill color. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.